Welcome to the Acid-Base Basics simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate how strong acids and bases differ from weak acids and bases. The opening screen displays a beaker filled with water. The chemical reaction below the beaker illustrates a very small reaction in equilibrium currently taking place inside the beaker. Each gray icon represents one water molecule, the red icon, one hydronium ion, and the blue icon, one hydroxide ion. Select and drag the pH meter into the solution in the beaker to measure the solution's pH. Select the desired solution from the Solution menu to view a model of the major species in the beaker for that type of solution. Please note, the solvent species are not displayed unless the solvent option is selected from the Views menu. Select the Graph option under the Views menu to display the current concentration of the major species in the solution. The 4 bars on the graph correspond to the 4 substances displayed in the bottom chemical reaction. The numeric values displayed in each bar indicates the current molarity concentrations of that species in the beaker. Select the Hide Views to only display the solution in the beaker and no other information. Use the bottom menu to change the pH probe to pH paper or to measure the conductivity of the solution by selecting the light bulb icon. To measure the conductivity, once the bulb icon is selected, drag one of the red or black electrodes into the solution. The brightness of the bulb indicates the conductivity of the solution. The brighter the bulb, the more conductive the solution. The orange Reset button returns the screen to its original state.